Regulatory compliance is really important in the US. The reason is because there's three different layers of laws in the US. So you have your federal laws, which are overarching laws that govern the whole of the entire United States. And then you'll have your state-specific laws, which can vary from state to state, and of course there are 50 of them. And then each city or local jurisdiction may have its own laws as well. It's important to remember that the state laws and those city laws are never going to be less strict or take anything away from those federal laws. It's always going to be adding on and making the laws stricter and sometimes even more complex. So you'll want to make sure that you maintain compliance at the federal, state, and local level, and an employer of record can help you do so.
One of the things that companies can sometimes struggle to understand when entering the United States is that they view it as one country, when essentially what you've actually got is the federal government that governs the whole of the state, and then each state has its own government, and each government has its own tax system. So you're not only dealing with federal law and taxes, you're also dealing with state law and taxes. And then in some of the larger states, you will also have local governments with local laws and taxes. So the example I like to use is that you've got a worker and they're located in San Francisco. You're now navigating federal laws and taxes. You'll have the government of California or the state of California laws and taxes. And then you'll also have local government laws and taxes of San Francisco. So you're dealing with a multi-dimensional tax and legal system that has to be navigated, and it has to be navigated compliantly. And that's exactly where PGC come in to help you do that.